Welcome everyone to our Lean Manufacturing Training, proudly brought to you by HS Pro System Development. Today, we'll explore how Lean principles can help us build efficiency, reduce waste, and empower our team. Let's dive in. What is Lean? Lean manufacturing is a philosophy of continuous improvement. It's all about maximizing value for the customer while minimizing waste. When done right, Lean leads to lower costs, faster delivery, higher quality, and a more engaged workforce. The 5 Lean principles. Lean is built on 5 core principles. First, we define what the customer truly values. Second, we map the value stream to identify waste. Third, we create flow, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted production. Fourth, we establish pool, producing only what's needed when it's needed. And finally, we pursue perfection through continuous improvement. The 7 wastes. Lean targets 7 types of waste. These include overproduction, waiting, transport, overprocessing, excess inventory, unnecessary motion, and defects. During our waste walk activity, we'll identify real examples of these waste in our workplace. Lean tools and techniques. Lean offers practical tools to tackle waste. 5S, or sort it out, set it in, shine, standardize, and sustain, help us organize our workspace. Kaizen drives small daily improvements. Kanban visualizes workflow. Standard work ensures consistency. SMED, or single minute exchange of die, reduces setup times. And value stream mapping helps us see the big picture. Practical exercises. Now it's time to apply what we've learned. We'll run a 5S audit to reorganize a workstation. We'll simulate Kanban to understand pool systems. And we'll hold a Kaizen event to solve a recurring issue. These exercises make Lean real and actionable. Lean isn't just about tools, it's about mindset. We build a Lean culture by involving employees in problem solving, using visual management, and celebrating small wins. Everyone plays a role in continuous improvement. Implementation roadmap. To implement Lean, we start small, choose a pilot area. We train and coach our team. We track key metrics like lead time and defect rates. And we sustain progress through audits, feedback, and recognition. Risks and challenges. Lean has challenges. Some may resist change, others may focus only on short-term gains, and without leadership support, Lean won't stick. The solution? Involve your team. Embed Lean into daily routines and lead by example. Lean is a journey, not a one-time fix. It empowers us to improve every day. Let's start with a 5S workshop and build momentum from there. Together, we'll make our operations smarter, faster, and more resilient.